everyone, and Happy New Year. Hope you're going to have a terrific year and hopefully have keto and low carb in your life. So I've got my January KetoKrate. Let's see what's in it. Open it up. Upside down. Alright, so some brochures of course. Oh, look at that. $120 off gift card for Green Chef. What else have we got? This tells you some recipes, and you also can be a member of the KetoKrate Club, where you'll get discounts on all kinds of great snacks. So this is a subscription service. You get a box a month. You can stop it anytime you want. You can restart it whenever you want. It's one price. And if you use my code TOGOFF, TOGOFF, and use a link that I'm going to put here, you'll get buy one box, you get another box for free. So let's see, we've got keto bar, salted caramel, chocolate chip pecan keto cookie, Baja Taco peanuts, that sounds pretty good, or pecans, sorry, pecans, even better. What is this?
Oh, for those of you that say pecan.
Keto granola bar, almond butter cocoa chip by Monk Pack. I love the bars. The bars are my favorite. Ed likes the cookies.
I like the Pop-Tart ones.
The Pop-Tarts, yeah. Keto crisp cheddar. Another of Ed's favorite. This is cheddar this time. Oh, this I like. Better veggie infused protein breakfast puffs fruity charms. I love this. It tastes like what are those puff candies? Cereals. That's good. That's good.
Oh.
Let's see. We've got a bag. There's always a bag of pork rinds. This month we have smoky jalapeno and cheddar. Chicharrones. That sounds good. You know, everything in your crate is going to be 5 grams of carbohydrates or less. And it's all made with very good and natural ingredients. This is Hilo super cheesy, crispy cheddar, cheese, and almonds snack. Now we've got a super coffee by, who's the brand? Oh, Super Coffee is the brand, I guess. Sweet and creamy vanilla. This is Sweet Well milk chocolate almond bites, keto friendly. Belgium recipe. Oh, that sounds good, by Sweetwell. That looks good. And lastly, we got, oh, this is Ed's one of Ed's favorites, Choco Zero peanut butter cups.
Okay, I see. I'll be right there.
Okay. So that's what we got this month. So make sure you log on to the website through my link and put the discount code TOGOFF. Sometimes you get a buy one, get one free. Sometimes you get a 35% off. It all depends.
That's TOGOFF.
Let me pull this up one more time. Ta-da! Enjoy! Happy New Year! Happy ketoing!